Hello everyone, this is Mihalis from mihalos.gr weblog, and today I am going to unbox a TP-Link 300 Mbps wireless USB adapter. The model is TL WN822N. As we can see, it's compatible with all types of Wi-Fi transmissions, B, G and N. Okay, so let's open the device. I bought this adapter because I have read in many forums that it is compatible with Backtrack and Kali Linux installations. Okay, so here is the notice regarding the policy of the European Community for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz transmission. CD with drivers, quick installation guide, and here is our device. The mini USB adapter. Here are the antennas. It's very nice and very light. Has a portable outlook, as you can see. Okay, so here's the cable as well, USB to mini USB, and another quick installation guide. So this was the TP-Link TL WN822N device unboxing. It's a very nice, looks very nice. Okay, so subscribe to my videos, please share if you liked this unboxing, and hope to see you soon on my YouTube channel again. Thank you very much.